Hi, welcome to the Imagination Station here on the Rocky Railway. Our train's taken us a little far from the depot, but I think it'll help us be a little more creative. Today, we're learning all about how Jesus' power helps us to do hard things. All of us have to do hard things sometimes, and we may not understand why. We may not be able to control what's happening, and our lives seem to be going in all different directions. Let's see what that's like using one of our fun little gizmos. Take out your off-rail roller from your packet. It should look a little bit like this. You should have all of these supplies, and one thing you'll need to bring for yourself is a paper clip. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to pull apart your black roller. So it looks like this when you get it, but you're going to pull it apart. You're going to take the spool with the raised hole on the outside, so it's the littler one, and you're going to take one end of a rubber band and from the outside thread it through the hole. So we're going to pull it through, and then we're going to keep the rubber band in place by passing the long yellow straw through the end, and then you can pull it tight. Now you're going to take this other end and pass it through the hole on the other slightly longer spool from the inside out. If you need help with this, which I do, we're going to use a paper clip so that we have a nice little hook. And we're going to hook the rubber band and then put that through there. Then you're going to clip your spool together. And then once you have the rubber band through, you're going to take the shorter yellow straw and put it through on that side. So now you should have something that looks a little bit like this. Doesn't look like much yet. But now we're going to make sure that the long straw is kind of on the rubber band in the middle. And you're going to take that and twist it around. Just going to twist and twist for as long or as little as you want. The longer the better. And now we're going to lay it down and see what happens. Oh, I caught it. Ready? Goes that way now. And it just rolls. So I encourage you, we're going to let it go out. I encourage you to play around with this as much as you want. But here's the thing. Try and predict which way you think it's going to go. Do you think that it will go straight? Do you think it'll turn left or right? Do you think that it might turn around and come right back at you? Just try and predict it. Then twirl it up, let it go. Does it go the way you predicted it would? Probably not. These aren't made to go in one direction because that's how our lives feel sometimes. It feels like we're going crazy every which way and nothing really makes sense. But that's when Jesus comes in. Jesus still loves us and uses his power to help us do hard things, even when the things we do are unpredictable. So again, I encourage you to experiment with your off-rail roller. See how fast you can get it to go, how many turns it can take, all sorts of fun things. But as you play, remember our Bible point for today. Jesus' power helps us to do hard things. See you tomorrow again at Imagination Station.